Good morning, welcome to Secrets of London with me, Mark Munro. It's Monday the 8th of August. Normally I'd be at work on a Monday, out in the Sherbet Dab. That's Cockney rhyming slang for cab. But I'm here at Tower Bridge again, because at 8:30 there's going to be a bridge lift, and London is going to welcome the world's largest ocean-going wooden sailing ship. She's called the Gotheborg, and it's gonna be amazing. Stay tuned. Okay, 10 minutes to go. The bridge lift should start about 8:27. It doesn't take long for those bascules to raise up. They'll probably go up to 83 degrees today, which is their maximum extension height, because this ship is big. Now it looks like the word has got around that the Gotheborg is coming to town, and as you can see, it's 20 past 8 and there are quite a few people down here now getting ready for this majestic arrival. The excitement is building. Okay, the alarms are going off. That means they're stopping the traffic, and the bridge will start lifting very, very soon. So I think that's the first time I've ever seen the bridge lift come up to that height before, because this ship is so big. There we go, look at that. Now that is something special. You can see the crew on the mast there, giving us a real show. That looks amazing. And we welcome the Gotheborg to London. She has those Swedish colours, the blue and the yellow. This is actually a replica of the original that unfortunately sank in 1745. She's got a tug keeping her in the middle of the estuary, in the middle of the river, should I say, because she's a big piece of kit. Yeah, that tug is keeping the ship in the center of the river, because it's got such a big draft. We don't want this ship to hit ground. There she is. She's coming into the light now, looking amazing.
Wave chats.
Doing a bit of a side swipe maneuver here. I think we're going to do a U-turn now.
It's just going to turn around and go back the other way, isn't it? It's going to moor down the Canary Wharf. Yeah.
There we go.
Oh, I wouldn't want to be doing this maneuver. The worst. Reverse park. The man at the top, he was waving back.
Yeah. So yeah, it looks like, I don't know what's going on now. It looks like do know that the Gotheborg is going to do a U-turn and then come back through Tower Bridge at 9 o'clock. So it's a fleeting visit to the Pool of London, this part of the River Thames. The crew have gone quiet on the mast. They're probably thinking, this is a very strange manoeuvre. Come on, tugman, push this sailing ship around. Yeah. Come on, harder, harder. You got to flip her around, and then she's got to come back downstream. Don't hit the HMS Belfast. That would be a nightmare. This ship is made out of 200-year-old oaks. 75% oak, 25% pine. So it has definitely not been constructed by IKEA. This is not a flat pack ship.
Oh wait, the pictures run.
Go back to where time start.
Can you count?
Do you want to make our way, girls? Yeah.
All right, they're having a sing-song now. This is what is commonly known as a sea shanty. The shanty is haul away. Oh, she's going backwards now. That is a round of applause for the sea shanty. Okay, Tower Bridge is lifting for a second time. This is the 9 o'clock lift. The alarms have gone off. And the Gotheborg is lined up, ready to continue its voyage, downstream this time. The Gotheborg is going to make her way to Canary Wharf. Thames Quay South Dock is where she will be moored. She's here for 5 days and you can come and visit her. Tickets can be purchased online. I'll leave the link below and the descriptions. Thanks for watching. It's back to work for me and see you next time. And remember, stay tuned.